everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the brick Shiitake patty burger in Hertopia. So, right now Hertopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and at this event you can cook many new special food. One of them this brick Shiitake patty burger. But first, to cook this food, you need to unlock the recipe first. And to unlock this recipe, it's very easy. First, just go to your serving card, the brick serving card like this. Tap on it, and then just choose the burger recipe, brick mushroom patty burger like this. This is the original recipe of this burger, and then you can buy this recipe at the NPC Masimo. And then after that, just complete all the ingredients you need with, and then patty like this, that you can buy it at the Masimo. And then next, just replace the mushroom ingredients with this Shiitake mushroom like this, and then just tap start cooking like this. And just like that, you will automatically unlock the brick Shiitake patty burger recipe in Hertopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!